channel, Sweet Corn Eating Contest. Charot. So guys, our picture for today is Pink Lover 96. We're watching her new video. Come with me to explore Flushing Queen Chinatown. Yan. Ito yun si. Don't forget to support and visit Pink Lover 96. Already shared your video, ma'am. Yan. Like it. First like, first comment. Yan. First comment. Yan. So, hope somebody, my followers, visit your channel and subscribe and watch your video. Okay. So, let's move on to Mom Living After 50s. We have to play one of his video. Okay. So, don't forget to visit also this one, this channel, Living After 50. Then we're playing the best poultry picks. Yan. Next, tatlo yung ating mga pictures. Si Honey Pie, ito yung mga members natin. So, Maulan siya. Maulan, ito yung Honey Pie, bagong video din. So, si Ma'am Shem may bagong video din sa Carpenters. Kapipili natin kanina. Si Honey Pie Vlog, meron din pala. Okay. Hindi pa ako nakaplay nito. So, timing. So, let's promote their videos. Living After 50s and Honey Pie. Okay. Grocery shopping and maulan siya. Okay. So, dito na. Pink 96 lovers. So, ito na. So, shout out muna tayo sa ating mga members at saka mga followers na member yan. Shout out to Shen Piano Salon. Yan. Don't forget to watch her new video, Carpenters, The Sound of Music. Pink Lover. Ito na. Ayan. Si Turn From Life, Caballero Idim, Honey Pie. Member natin yan. Poslando, Honey Homes Beauty. Yan. Tapos na ito na shout out ko kayo na. So, shout out na ng iba. Tapos na si Ranville din. Shout out. Nature's Serenity. Okay. Mga plays. Ben. Ito. Hindi pa. Shout out natin to si Ben. Carla. Cebuano din to. Taga Cebu din ako, ma'am. I'm in Lapu-Lapu. Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. So, shout out. And don't forget to visit Ben and Carla of Cebu. Okay. Shout out tayo sa mga promote tayo, guys, para magkapira tayo. Para maraming manood, saka magkapira tayo. Ito, update tayo sa kinikita natin, guys. Okay, update sa YouTube earnings. So, ito na. Kopya. 100, this is from last. I'll be expecting this coming May 21, 26. And this is my earning for May. As of May 8. Okay. This is our earnings sa May. $13.61. Okay, thank you guys for supporting. Shout out to my members. Okay. The 3 members, Living After 50s, Strong From Life, and Ma'am Fatima Shahida Abdullah. And Pink Lover, my adopted members, Honey Pie and Ma'am Shen. Shout out all of you. And then we have to shout out din tayo dito sa mga nagpi-play ng video natin, nag-watch. Si Mitch Queen Vlog, yan, shout out. Saka si Saracen, yan, suki natin yan. Suki means always watching our movies, our videos. Okay. Ito si Poslando, shout out. Fatima Saida, shout out. Si Fish 1, hanapin din si Fish 1999. Magaling din yon. It's one. Yan. Fish. Don't forget to subscribe. Fish 1999. Yan. Shout out to you, Fish 199. 199. Okay. Let's go back to Ma'am Kuan. Living after 50s. Yan. Shopping of poultry. Yan. Supermarket trip and meat section. Yan. Sa manok. Chicken. Meat section pa yan. Okay. Si Ma'am Kuan. Ito naman si Kuan. Mayroon pang ads. Sige, mamaya balikan kita, Ma'am. Si Hanipay. Santuario. Rory. Hongking. Ay nako. Hong Kong. Pero maulan. Ay, hindi ko ma-pronounce. Sorry, ma'am. So, please support Ma'am Hanipay vlog. Ito yung nagkuhan pa, loading pa siya. Okay, balikan natin, guys. So, dito kay kuan. Ayun na. Si Hongking. Sorry. Ito yung bagong kuan din ni kuan. Fish, Pink Flower, Pink 96 Flower video, Come With Me. Ito, na-play ko na yan. So, ito na si Ma'am Hanipay. Nalilito ako sa dami kong shout out. Ay, good morning, guys. Let's go na lang tayo. Enjoy and be happy sa ating life. Na dumating tayo sa edad na 50 plus. I'm now 50 plus na ako ngayon, guys. Patungo na ako sa 60. I'm going to be an senior citizen. Charot. Ito si Ma'am. Okay, si Ma'am Hanipay vlog. Yan. Statutory ng Hong Kong, pero maulan. Okay. Si Ma'am Puan, nag-grocery pa. Living after 50s. Yan. So, ito yung pictures natin ngayon. Si Living After 50s, si Hanipay vlog, at saka si Pink 96. Kanina si Ma'am Shen, at saka si Ma'am Fatima. So, next siguro susunod si Fish 199. Content pictures.